So, hey everybody, what I want to talk to you guys about today is how we've taken some businesses from doing 3, 4, 5 grand a month to now doing 80, 90, $100,000 a month in just a few short years by getting them funding to grow their business. So I'm going to start with a story. So we have a client who, when he came to us about 4.5 years ago, he was a one-man landscaping company. He'd been running this company for about 30 years, maybe a little bit less, as a one-man company, cutting grass, trimming hedges, raking leaves, snow plowing, things like that. He was a one-man shop, had one van. He did it himself. He came to us and he was asking for $20,000 to get another truck, to hire another person so he could do twice the amount of jobs. Well, he was only doing about $3 grand a month in total revenue, right? If you guys do the math, that's about minimum wage, right? So he'd been doing that for years. Well, we weren't able to get him 20 grand. We got him $2,500. And I remember he asked the sales rep, what can I do with $2,500? That's not enough for another van. Well, what it was enough for was to hire another person so they could do the jobs twice as fast. So that's what he did. He hired another person. A couple months later, now he was doing $8,000 a month in revenue. So he'd had 2 months of $8,000 a month in revenue, and we got him another 10 grand. He was able to buy a used truck for 4 grand and hire another person. So now he's got 2 vehicles, 2 crews. He bought another lawnmower, right? And we continued to do this over and over and over again. Every few months, we'd get him more money to keep growing his business. Fast forward, 3 years later, now the guy's doing 50 grand, 60 grand, 70 grand a month, right? Within 3 years, all by starting with a $2,500 loan, right? Anybody can do this, right? If your business is in a situation that you are not comfortable with financially, you don't have the time to spend with your friends and your family that you want to, you don't have enough money, you're not driving the car that you want, all these things, that can be changed with just a small loan, putting a little bit into your business each time, and will get you more money at better terms and better rates each time as you grow your business. That's what we do. We build relationships and we help businesses grow and save money on their credit card processing so they can build the business that they envisioned when they first started the company. Call Versa Business Systems today. We'd love to be able to help anybody out. You only have to be doing business for 3 months and putting at least $2,500 in your account each month. Most lenders require at least $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 a month in revenue. We don't. We like working with the small guys and helping them grow into a large company. That's what we're passionate about. Give us a call today. We'd love to be able to help you out. 410-864-8034, or go to our website, versabusinesssystems.com. I'm sure the link is below. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.